Welcome to our C programming channel. Today we explore a fascinating program that print out all different combinations of 3 different digits in descending order, separated by a comma followed by a space. So let's dive into how this program is structured and works. Our program consists of means of a function lambda ft underscore pins compo. So this function is decided to generate and pin the combination without taking any input parameter and without returning any data. So its sole purpose is to display the combination to the standard output. So let's look into the ft pin combo function. So here we decided 3 variables a, b, and c, all of the type chart. So the variable will represent our digits from 0 to 9. The idea is to increment this variable in a less loop structure to generate all possible combinations where a less than b less than c. We initialize a with 0 minus 1 here, and to start the first loop with 0 after increment a at the beginning of the loop, while loop, and the outer loop 1 as long as a less than 7 here, and it's because 1a with 7 there's no other large distance digits that can follow. So inside the first loop we set b to the current a, and increment it before enter the second loop, and this loop continue as long as b is less than a. So answer that b is always less than c. So simply we set c to current value of b in the innermost loop and increment it before checking its condition. So this loop 1 as long as c is less than 9, and within this loop we use the while function to pin the current combination of a, b, and c to standard output. So after pin its combination, we check if it's not last combination 7x9. If it's not, we pin a comma followed by a space to separate this combination from the legs. So this is done with using while 1 space 2. So for this last loop, the program systematically generate and pins all combination of 3 digits where each digit is different from others and in descending order. So in the main function, we simply call ft pin combo to execute the logics we have just described. So after the function call, we return 0 to the indicated the successful combination of the program. This example showcase the use of the less loop, conditional, and the while function to control output in the C programming. Thank you for watching. So if you find it insightful, please like, share, and subscribe for more program content. Until next time, happy coding. Bye bye.